Do you want to start a YouTube channel that gets views and grows fast, but you're pouring money into paid tools just to find the right niche? There's no need for that anymore. Today we're going to build our very own YouTube Niche Finder Chrome extension simply by giving commands to AI. And the best part, we'll do it without writing a single line of code, and it's completely free. For this we'll use Manus, an autonomous AI agent that doesn't just chat like ChatGPT, but actually works for us. Copy the special prompt I've left in the description. This text tells Manus exactly what kind of YouTube tool we want, an extension that checks search volumes and filters by channel age. We paste it in, hit enter and watch, while it writes the code in the background and prepares a zip file for us. We can just sit back and relax. Our file is ready, now we need to introduce it to our browser. We download our Manus prepared extension in .zip format. Right-click the zip file you just downloaded, choose Extract All, and extract it into a folder. Go to the Chrome extensions page and turn on Developer mode. Click on Load Unpacked and select the folder we just extracted. And just like that, our extension is installed on Chrome. For our extension to read YouTube data, it needs a key. We call this an API. Log into Google Cloud and create a new project. Enter your project name and click Create to create your project. Wait for your project to be created, and once it's created, click Select your project. From the Products menu, select APIs and Services and then Library. Type YouTube Data in the search box and press Enter. From the results, select YouTube Data API v3. On the page that appears, click the Enable button and wait a moment. Click on Credentials in the menu on the left. On the page that opens, click the Create Credentials button and select API Key. After entering any name in the Name field, click on Select API Restrictions, scroll down in the menu that opens and select YouTube Data API v3. Once you've completed these steps, scroll down and click the Create button to create your API key. Copy the generated key and paste it into our extension. We get 10,000 free queries a day, which is more than enough. Now let's test our system. We'll select the last 60 days for the channel age, so we can find newly opened but rapidly exploding channels. Let's scan. Let's type finance or artificial intelligence. And here we are. Channels opened just 2 months ago, already reaching tens of thousands of subscribers and millions of views. Exactly the trending niche channels we are looking for. Building your own tool is really this easy. Manus gives you free credits to start, so you can easily create an extension like this. You can fix the parts of the plugin that aren't working by writing to Manus, or if you'd like to improve the plugin, you can get better results by adding to or editing the prompt I gave you. Once you grasp this logic, you can build any extension you need all by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more guides that will take your digital skills to the next level. See you next time.